Hello, I am Ahmet Köse. Welcome back to English Flicks. We are diving into the fascinating world of adjectives and adverbs. Whether you're a student looking to ace your grammar tests or just curious about how language works, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will break down what adjectives and adverbs are, how they function in some sentences, explore some exceptions, and provide you plenty of examples. By the end of this lesson, you will be well on your way to mastering these essential parts of speech. Let's talk about some examples of adjectives: red, beautiful, delicious, tall, cold, etc. So let's start with the basics. What are adjectives and adverbs? Adjectives, let's start with adjectives. Adjectives, these are words that describe nouns. They provide more information. They provide more information about nouns, such as its color, size, shape, or other qualities. For example, in the phrase, a beautiful sunset. A beautiful is an adjective which describes sunset. Sunset is a noun, so is the adjective describing the noun sunset. Happy child played in the park. Happy is the adjective, is describing the child. She wore a beautiful dress to the party. Beautiful, which describes the dress. Let's explore some more examples to make this clearer. The red car is fast. Red is adjective which describes the car. So red is the adjective describing the car noun, the noun car. Let's see another example. The blue sky was clear and beautiful. Blue sky, blue is the adjective describing the noun sky. And okay, she bought a new dress for the party. New is the adjective describes the dress. The four friends went on an adventurous trip. Four is the adjective describes the noun friends. Now let's talk about exceptions. Language is full of quirks, and adjectives and adverbs are no different. Some words can function as both adjectives and nouns. For example, in the poor have struggles, poor is an adjective, but in the poor will receive assistance, a noun referring to a group of people. Irregular adjectives. Now it's time to talk about some irregular adjectives. For example, good, better is the comparative form of adjective, and it becomes best when we talk about superlatives. Bad, when we compare, we talk about worse, and then it is comparative, then superlative is the worst. Noun-adjective usage. Some adjectives, some words can function as both adjectives and nouns, depending on the context, of course. For example, the poor have struggles. The poor will receive assistance, as we talked. Proper adjectives. These are formed from proper nouns, names of specific places, specific people or things, and typically begin with capital letters. For example, she bought a French perfume. The Olympic Games are prestigious. Compound adjectives. These are made up of two or more words and are often hyphenated. For example, it was a well-written book. Well-written is the compound adjective. She has a 20-year-old cat. 20-year-old hyphenated compound adjective. Adjective exceptions. Let's continue. Let's talk about adverbs. Adverbs, on the other hand, modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Adverb examples: she runs quickly. Quickly modifies the verb. So she runs quickly. Here, quickly is adverb which modifies the run. Verb, run. For instance, in the sentence, she sings beautifully. Beautifully is adverb which modifies the verb sings. Other examples: he plays the piano beautifully. Beautifully is the adverb which modifies the verb. She speaks English fluently. Fluently is adverb. How he speaks fluently, modifies the verb. They arrived early to the concert. How did they arrive early? Modified the verb. He runs slowly to conserve energy. How he runs slowly. Slowly is the adverb which modifies the verb runs. More exceptions for adverbs. Some adverbs do not end or don't end in ly. Words like fast, hard, soon can act as adverbs without any changes. Adverb exceptions, well, becomes better and best. Adverbs without ly. Adverbs without ly. Some adverbs don't end in ly. They retain their root form, their base form, and are commonly used. For example, he works hard every day. Hard is the adverb here. She arrived early to the meeting. Early is adverb now there. He drove fast to catch the train. Flat adverbs, which means do not add, we use them as their base forms. So they are identical to their adjective forms. They do not change when used as adverbs. Few adverbs have irregular forms that don't follow the typical ly pattern. For example, she did it well, he did it badly, they danced fast. To summarize, adjectives describe nouns, while adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Keep an eye out for exceptions, as some words can switch roles depending on the context. Now it's your turn. Here are a few practice sentences. Identify the adjective in this sentence. The tall man climbed the mountain. Find the adverb. She speaks English fluently. Feel free to pause the video and write your answers in the comment below. Let's wrap up our lesson on adjectives and adverbs. I hope you found this video helpful and that you now have better understanding of essential parts of speech. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Bye bye. See you in the next video.